Don't worry, Blue. It's in your DNA. If our featherless friends can do it, how hard can it be?
Yes, well, if you'll follow me, Johnny, to our Vault of Vocations and select an item of your choice. Yes, well, if you'll follow me, Johnny, to our Vault of Vocations and select an item of your choice.
No time to lose. We've one more duty to perform. This final day before the storm, into the Ark we have to bring just 2 of every living thing. Going up.
But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked. But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked. But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked. But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
Not happy in my work, I guess.
What?
I just don't like to make. Well, sir, someday I'd like to be a dentist.
A dentist?
Well, we need one up here. I've been studying.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
Time. Nice little guy, that Benny. Let's see. How does that thing go? Oh, yeah.
What a relief! I was on the floor here doing my push-ups when wham, bam, everything went dark and I was squashed by that. What do I care? I spent the whole day under that thing. Something dumb, I bet. What do you mean, all right? Look at the mess we were in just because of her. He saved our lives and helped us find the bed.
Okay, Mac. Look, fellas. I want to see the same cards here when I get back. You know what I mean?
I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
Not happy in my work, I guess.
What?
I just don't like to make. Well, sir, someday I'd like to be a dentist.
A dentist?
Well, we need one up here. I've been studying. Why am I such a misfit? I am not just a nitwit. You can't fire me, I quit. See, I don't fit in. Well, sir, someday I'd like to be a dentist.
A dentist?
Well, we need one up here. I've been studying.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different. Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
What are we gonna do about this? The harness broke, and now my reindeer can't pull my sleigh. What are we gonna do about this? The harness broke, and now my reindeer can't pull my sleigh.
But it isn't a bright sunny day down where we are. And I'm afraid something awful will happen to our Nancy. They say that you are the greatest doctor in the world. And I'm sure if you'll just see her, she'll get well.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
Not happy in my work, I guess.
What?
I just don't like to make. Well, sir, someday I'd like to be a dentist.
A dentist?
Well, we need one up here. I've been studying. Why am I such a misfit? I am not just a nitwit. You can't fire me, I quit. See, I don't fit in.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
Not happy in my work, I guess.
What?
I just don't like to make jokes. Someday I'd like to be a dentist.
A dentist?
Well, we need one up here. I've been studying. Why am I such a misfit? I am not just a nitwit. You can't fire me. I quit. See, I don't fit in.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. That could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
I'm happy in my work, I guess.
What?
I just don't like to make jokes. Someday I'd like to be a dentist.
A dentist?
Well, we need one up here. I've been studying. Why am I such a misfit? I am not just a nitwit. You can't fire me. I quit. See, I don't fit in.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. That could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
Okay, Mac. Look, fellas. I want to see the same cards here when I get back. You know what I mean?
Coming along. Oh, I'm just fine, Professor Fogg. Oh, that. It's just about...
Take me up to see